The Stoics practiced an exercise they called premeditatio malorum, the premeditation of evils. The way this one works is that you start each day by imagining all the things that could possibly go wrong throughout the day. Whilst this sounds like a very depressing way to live your life, the principle behind it is a good one. It means that when we do encounter some of life's inevitable setbacks, we are less likely to collapse into a quivering mess. Instead, we are prepared and ready to respond in the most positive way possible. Some companies have started adopting this practice in the workplace by performing what's known as a premortem. At the start of a new project, the project manager will get the team to brainstorm all the things that could go wrong or get in the way of success. By planning for these events in advance, they are better equipped to manage the obstacles when they do occur. Stoicism is a school of Hellenistic philosophy that was founded in Athens around 300 BC. It was the dominant philosophy in the Roman and Greek worlds until the Christian religion took over about 500 years later. The founder of Stoicism was a man named Zeno of Citium being what is now known as Cyprus. However, the three most famous and widely studied Stoic philosophers were Seneca, a politician and playwright, Epictetus, a slave, and Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor. Unlike many other philosophies which are more theoretical, Stoicism is a very practical philosophy that is easily applied to our modern lives. Stoicism is a tool that can help us better deal with life's inevitable ups and downs so that we can live a happier and more peaceful life. But most importantly, Stoicism has some valuable lessons that we can apply to become better men, better partners, and better parents.